Welcome back to my channel. Today I received this message from one of my friends. He asked me, if we have two voltage sources, we want to increase the voltage, we want to add the voltage, and we want to add the current. So let's start. I made two sources, 15 volt DC, 3 ampere. The second source, for example, it is 15 volt, 5 ampere. When you want to add the sources in voltage condition, if you add the voltage, you have to remember one thing: the current. The maximum amount of current will be 3 ampere. In this case, the maximum current rating will be 3 ampere and the output voltage will V1 plus V2. Just only take negative line from one source and connect positive line to the negative of second source and take positive output from the first source. So positive from this line and connect this negative to this positive and take this negative. So our output voltage are V1 plus V2. So both sources are in series. In this condition we will take 15 plus 15, 30 volt, but ampere rating just only 3 ampere, because more than 3 ampere this can, now this is a series circuit, so this source will not provide more than 3 ampere. So 30 volt, 3 ampere. Now if you want to add the current, what we can do? To increase the current rating, remember one thing: the voltage should be equal. If it is 15 volt, this should be 15 volts. And in that case, our maximum current will addition of the lowest level. This is 3 ampere. The amount of current will the double of the lowest level. Lowest level is 3 ampere. Here we have 5 ampere, but now the maximum current will 3 plus 3 from here, 3 plus 3 ampere, maximum 6 ampere. The voltage will remain equal. But now you have to remember one thing: you have to isolate the both sources, so that if one load becomes high, so inter sources current should not flow. Isolate them. Connect a diode in series in this way: the cathode side outwards and anode side to positive terminal. The second diode should be the same way. So now our no current can enter in the source. We will take out current, but no current will return back. It is one-way conduction. The diode current rating must be more than the source current. If source current, this battery current or transformer current is 3 ampere, connect here 4 or 5 ampere diode, so that it will be run in safe limit. Now connect this diode and connect both cathodes together and take positive output, and connect negative sides of both sources, V1 and V2 negative, combine them, so we will take out. For series connection, you have to connect without diode, just only positive to negative, and we will take one negative from here, positive from here. But to make parallel, connect two diodes for more safety. And now we will take 3 ampere from here and 3 ampere from here, 6 amperes. If we will take more current, that time this source will be loaded, so maximum 6 ampere current, even though if it is 5 ampere, so we cannot take 5 plus 3, 8 ampere, no. In this way, 3 ampere plus 3 ampere from here, so 6 ampere we can utilize. The voltage will remain 15 volt minus diode voltage. If you use Schottky diode, it's 0.2-0.3 volt maximum. That's nice. So it will not a big deal. So we can use about 14.7 14.8 volt in parallel. V1 and V2 will parallel and current I1 plus I2 will added, but the lowest level. This solution is for one time. If you make a setup that you have to use it frequently, if you want to use these sources time to time, sometime you need to make it series, sometime you want to make in parallel, then you have to make a standalone system. What you will do, I will give a small circuit. You have to select 4-pole double throw relay and one switch. If single pole single throw is, that is good. You can use this relay in any project, anywhere. Just only I will demonstrate. If you want to use this relay, it have 4 different channels, 4 poles, 1 2 3 4, and every set is separate. This one is common and this is normally closed and this is normally open. One set, 2 3 4, and this is coil points. The common pin is connected outside. I am applying 12 volt. We can see now this point is disconnected from here and it is connected here. We can utilize this point and this point. Now it is off condition. In off condition it is disconnected from here and connected here. When I will apply power, so we can change the points. All the switches are in same way. In off condition, all commons are connected in outward connections. When it is power on, it will connect here. First of all, take 12 volt. Connect this relay one end negative, the second end to this switch, and connect this line to positive voltage as I connected here. The first source, positive voltage, connect it to first point here, and take out from here, and it is our positive V out. Now take negative to point number 3 here and take out the negative side here. Now connect positive to NC2. This is NC normally closed to, and connect the common point to first battery negative terminal. So in this way, negative point is connected to this battery and this positive is connected to this battery negative in this connection. Positive, negative, out. This positive out, this negative out. So negative, positive, negative, positive out. It is our series connection. So in this way, V out will equal to B1 VB1 plus VB2. Now if we want to make it in parallel connection, as we made it here, so we have to use 2 diodes. Let's use 2 diodes. Now what will happen? We will just only turn on this switch. When we will turn on this switch, what will happen? The positive voltage will apply to this coil. So when this coil will energize, and it will shift all these points to downside. As we tested here, when we applied voltage here, this point changed with this one, connected with this one. This point, normally closed point, we used in first step. Now connect positive battery voltage terminal to this point using this diode. Using this diode, connect it here and take out from this point. Second battery positive terminal, take it out with one diode to last normally open point, and the common, this common connected with this one. So our positive terminal using this diode and our positive terminal using this diode in parallel. When the switch is on, this positive terminal will go out and this positive terminal will go out. Now the switch is on and the point is shifted down, so take negative battery terminal to point number 3, take C3 out, V out. This point we already connected in our series connection. Negative is connected to C2, so connect negative point to C2, already connected. This point was open. Now connect this point to this one, and now this negative terminal is connected to this negative terminal, so both negative terminal is in parallel, and positive terminals through this diode and through this diode are in same condition. Now we will compile this diagram with this one. This was our first condition. If the relay is on, this will shift it down. If relay is off, it will shift up, and this voltage will pass outside. Now this point is connected to battery positive terminal of this one, so we will connect this point here. Our diagram is ready. If we turn off this switch, the relay will shift its point to its original position. Now we will see what will happen. Now the relay is in this condition. If we turn off this switch, relay will de-energize, so this point will shift up. So this connection is terminated now. This point is up, so we will take this negative voltage from this point to the outside, and this point is up. So this point is shifted here, and we are taking negative output of this battery. Now we have shifted this point up, so this point is connected to positive, and this positive now opened. It have no connection outside, so positive voltage will flow from here and it will go to this battery negative terminal, and this connection is now off. So this terminal is off, so we will take positive voltage out. So we will take, if the switch is off, this shift will in this condition, in series connection. When the switch is off, it will go in series connection. If the switch is now the switch is on, it is now shifted here, so we will take this positive voltage from this side, and now this negative terminal is connected here to this point, and this negative terminal is connected here, and we are taking negative voltage out from here, and our positive voltage go out from this point, so both will in parallel. So in this way this circuit will make series parallel for the two batteries. I hope so this video is informative for you. If it is informative, give a thumb up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.